Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into the Amen University. First, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other preferable browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, type down amenuniversity.com and enter it after you're done. And here we could see you will be landing on the Amen University official homepage. And in the top right corner over here, you could see the login option in the red font. Click on this option and then you'll be redirected to the another page for the login. And here we can see we are required with email and password. So simply type down your email as well as your password. And after that, and here we could see the small box that says remember me. And if you want to keep logged into the device, you just proceed to log in, then click on this option, remember me. But if you do not want or you do not prefer that, click back again. And if you have also forgotten your password, you can simply recover your password or reset the password by clicking this option that says forgot password. And after you're done, click on the submit and you'll be successfully logged into the Amen University. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on logging in to Amen University. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.